They'll tear apart your point of view, then make it seem like it was today's news. And you could get soaked up in a hurricane of self-doubt, and it wouldn't matter, there's nobody here to help you now. Hold on to your pride while they try and pit the blame. You've gotta see right through it, find a reason to try again. Whatever you do, don't doubt your own mind.